Nokia 6, the tank phone. Before that, we are giving away Redmi Note 5 Pro and Redmi 5. Both the links for the giveaway is in the description below. Inside the box, we get the phone itself, user manuals, earphone, USB-C cable, charger. Now let's check out how Nokia 6 2018 survives the screen test. It has 5.5-inch IPS LCD Full HD 16:9 aspect ratio display, and it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top of it. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at 6, sapphire at 7. You can see light scratches at 6 and deeper grooves at 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire logo is covered with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so no way of scratching the logo or front-facing camera. But the earpiece is covered with thin layer of cloth, which can fall off in years of usage. At back, the 16 megapixel camera is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass including the flash. This is the first time I'm seeing flash is protected in any smartphone. The fingerprint sensor is made up of a type of ceramic, thus couldn't scratch the fingerprint sensor. Thumbs up to Nokia for that. The Nokia logo in the other hand is inlaid in the back, thus no way of removing it. The back is made of aluminum 6000 series and thus make it more strong and scratch resistant. The Android One logo is just printed and can easily be scratched. To the left side, we have SIM card tray and quietly built inside the sides. On top, we have 3.5mm headphone jack. To the right side, we have volume rockers and power buttons. The two-tone color is coated on the chamfered area of side. Thus, these colors can be easily peeled off by my razor blade. At bottom, we have USB Type-C. Yes, Type-C port. Thank you Nokia for giving Type-C. Hopefully, all next-gen mid-range phones have Type-C in it. It also has speaker vents at bottom. Nokia 6 2018 survived more than 10 seconds before the pixels turned black and recovered just because it has IPS LCD in it. If it is AMOLED, expect a burn in your display. The Nokia 6 2018 is a solid phone, and let's check whether it survives a 2 minutes water test. Yes, it does. The phone works properly even after submerged underwater for more than 2 minutes. Even the camera works perfectly without any problem in it. The Nokia 6 2018 is made in a single block of aluminum 6000 series. It's totally impossible to even see a slight bend in the device. I've never seen a phone like this before. Now let's try one more time. Nope. Can't even see a slight bend in it. You can literally see me here struggling to bend the phone. And I gave over because I can't do it. It's time for the drop test. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Nope. No scratches or damages to the phone is visible right now. Now let's drop the phone's rear camera facing downwards. Again, no damages or scratches, and there is no scratch even on the protection glass of the camera lens. Now let's drop the phone sidewards. Still no damages or dents. Now let's do drop of dead. Will it survive? Damn, nothing happened. We can't see even a single scratch or damage to the phone's front. Even if Nokia wants to build a new phone like Nokia 6 2018, they can't. You will never see a beautiful piece of hardware anywhere else. Hats off Nokia.